density will be supplied in the parts and you have to do the assembly. We'll see how the assembly is to be done now. See, it will come with the main base unit. Along with the base unit, there will be the base stand, then the standing hanger, glass plates will be there, and all this closure kit will be there. How we have to do the assembly, beaker will be supplied. So we'll see the assembly now, how it is to be done. Okay, so first we will start from the glass cage, the windshield which we are going to assemble now. So these are the 4 rods. We are going to fix them up with the base unit of the windshield. Start. Okay, so first we will mount all these tie rods one by one. 4 big bolts are given for tying up, and threading is given to these rods. You can see here, we have to just rotate it and threads are there. So assembly will be quick and fast. So all the 4 rods have been mounted on 4 corners. Now we are going to fix the top bracket. See, the position of the bracket is very important, because if you make a mistake, then there is a problem. Okay, see, now this is at the back side. As you can see, this is at the back side, and this bracket is also, front is free and back side there is a right angle. These things are important. Okay, so this is how we have mounted. Be very careful that this is at the back side and these right angles are also at the back side. So once this box is assembled, on the top we are going to put the cover. It's very simple actually. We'll put the cover, invert it, and then we'll tighten the bolts again. Okay, just make sure it goes and fix in the slot properly, and then we will just tighten it again. Okay, so on the top we have fixed this. Tracks are at the bottom, and the upper surface is plain. Make sure you put it the right way, and then you put this top cover and invert it. In the inverted position, there are 4 small screw fittings that will allow it to hold the structure tightly and securely. So we are going to fix these small screws, you can see here. Okay, these are at all the 4 corners, so we have to fix them up, all the 4 screws, one by one. See, one assembly block diagram is there. It will give you a very clear idea about how to do the fixing. In case if you forget something, then this assembly diagram will help you with all the numbering. It is there, you can see the numbers, and this will be very helpful for the user. So now all the 4 small bolts have been fixed and the assembly is done. You have to only insert the glass now. So we will again invert it and fix up the glasses. But before fixing the glasses, we will put it on the pan, or we will fix the glass. First we will fix the glass, no? Okay. So different sizes of glasses are there. You have to see how to fix them, and one by one. The bigger ones will be from the side. Okay, so the bigger one is from the front and the back. So once we fix them, only after that we are going to tighten the screws. We keep the screws loose so that it smoothly enter inside the slot, and then after that we are going to make the screws tight. Till then you should have some space to put them inside. Okay, now this side we will see. Okay, so we are going to tighten it now. While inserting this one, make sure from the back side you insert it, and this hole is on the front where you are going to fix the knob. See, there is a knob given for you to fix it up. Screw it up. It's a plastic knob. Okay, so the side door is fixed. Now this side door we are going to fix, and once we fix the top door, okay, once we fix the top door, the assembly will be ready. The windshield will be ready to be mounted on the base unit of the equipment. Okay, now the top we are going to fix, and again the knob will be fixed here on the top as well. So this is how the box is made ready. Once the glass box is assembled, then you can insert this steel plate. See, everything is very important. Now the steel base, what we have put, the label is on the right hand side. Make sure accordingly it is inserted inside, and then make all the connections, all the screws tight before you place it on the unit. So now this box, we will place it on the base unit. Okay, you see the track is at the back side. Okay, and once it is kept, now we will do the further mounting assembly. So pick up this black color base unit, set it at the center so that the holes will match, and then fix it up on the steel base. Okay, on the top of this we have to insert the stand. Carefully see how it is inserted. Okay, so this is facing the front, and now you put the beaker. Put the beaker from the side. It should go and fix inside the slot. The beaker should go and fix inside the square slot of the black base. Okay, now the hanger. This is the immersion tray which we use. Sometimes people use a sinker also, so we have given a separate sinker also if you want, but better to use the immersion tray because you get realistic arrangement is given for the tray to be mounted securely and in a proper alignment, and then you fill up the liquid right up to the top of the beaker so that the tray is completely immersed inside. This is how we have seen the complete assembly of the density